Good evening. Today we are going to look at the pre-market levels for 3rd November 2020. Currently I'm in the Bank Nifty chart which is spot and time frame is 15 minutes. I'll keep I'll mark important levels. One is PDH, other is PDL and the third one is PDC. These three are very important for a day trader. So I'll keep them locked. If you make them log, it will be very helpful during the trading session. I'll mark them as PDH and then PDC and then PDL. Apart from these three levels, let me see, will there be any turning point here? There is no turning point available here, right? I think no, there is no turning point. Apart from that, let's search for a single print. Yes, there is one single print here. See, there is no overlap of this particular area by any candle of that particular day, correct? I treat this as a single print. I'll mark it single print and make it lock. Mark this. Okay, fine. So for 15 minutes time frame, the marking of important levels is completed. And go for 1 hour time frame. See if there are any major resistance or supports. Yes, there is one here. Look at here, this is swing high and also the supply zone. So this is one cluster. Mark it. This is very important level for tomorrow. Observe the price behavior at this level for any trade decision. Mark this level. Mark it as swing high and supply zone. Here and then lock it, right? Apart from this, there is one demand zone here. Yeah, there is one demand zone here. Mark it as demand zone. So marking on lower time frame and higher time frame is done with this. Let me go to very higher time frame, that is 1 day time frame, and let's see what happens there. Will there be any important levels? We'll see there. So I'm going to 1 day time frame. I'm adjusting the levels. Yeah, this yellow one is the gap order. See, for this day to the next day, there is a gap down opening and still there exists a gap. So this is called as gap order and it will act like a support or resistance. Gap border and I'll keep it here, right? Let me lock this. Yeah, so higher time frame is also completed. So I'm going to lower time frame to show you if there are any clusters. Oops, sorry. Yeah, to show you if there are any clusters. The yellow one is the gap border and the top one is the swing high PDH. So these two are very level and let me see for tomorrow CPR. Yeah, let me unmute it. Okay. Yeah, there is one cluster here. If you see the single print and the central pivot are very near. This act like a strong resistance or support for tomorrow's session, right? And there is a supply zone and PDH are very near. This will act like a zone for tomorrow. Yeah, I hope this video is useful to you. Let's see tomorrow with the levels how they are working. See you. Bye.